Hi everyone, Coach Christina from Balanced and Blessed. I wanted to come on here live real quick, do a small grocery haul with you. I went to WinCo for a few things because I didn't have my grocery list ready for the week, and I'm doing that tomorrow after an event. So I just went there to get stuff for dinner and then also to get stuff to take to a gathering tomorrow that I have going on for end of the school year. So we have the same thing pretty much every Friday unless it's Meat Friday when there's solemnities. And then I usually take the same kind of salad almost every time because it's just so simple. It's quick. It's my easy go-to for gatherings. So let me show you what I got. I got 2 bags of Italian salad that I can throw in a container for the salad. I'm going to be making the Italian chopped salad, which is one of my favorites. My family even loves that salad. I got 3 different colored bell peppers for the salmon tonight. So yellow, orange, and red. They were on sale. They've been on sale lately. Salami to cut up. I wish they would carry the nuggets. Apparently they don't carry the nuggets anymore. I love the nuggets because I could just throw them into the bowl. But I'll be cutting some salami, the Italian chopped salad. A green bell pepper to go in the salad. A bag of mini pepperonis because I can just toss it in and I don't have to be chopping a lot of things. And Roma tomatoes for the salad. And then to go with the salmon, we have a red onion to go with the peppers. And Brussels sprouts. As well as wild caught salmon. Because apparently I can't buy fresh Pacific salmon here, even though it's like literally the ocean's right there. Go figure. But we always get this kind of frozen salmon, and it feeds our family. I just do, it's a simple, easy sheet pan recipe for veggies and salmon, and we absolutely love it. But I'll be doing it in the Ninja Combi, which we really liked it last time when we tried it in the Combi. So it means I'm not heating up my oven, not heating up the house, which is really nice. Although it's not that hot today where I'm at. So, and today was the last day of school. So if you watch this on replay, #replay. And I hope that you have a great weekend. I will talk to you later. All right, bye.